what's up everybody, Tay Thames here. Today we taking a look at the Wallet Slayer. This is a case by Stalk. It's actually called the Q Card Case Volume 2 Wallet Slayer. But it's for your iPhone 10. And definitely want to send a big shout out to the good people over at Stalk who sent me this product. And I did another review for a prior case for the iPhone 10. They make cases for iPhone 8, 8 Plus, 7, 7 Plus. You know, they all the same body style, the older ones. So definitely check them out. I'm gonna throw the link in the description where y'all can pick this up on Amazon. And I don't have iPhone 10 any longer, so I'm just gonna pull this case out and take a look at it for you guys. So it does come in this nice packaging, and it does have different colors as well that you can check out. This one I thought it was actually the black color, but you can see from the side it's actually blue. So let's go ahead and pop it open. You have this little protective thing, and the goods. So carries 3 cards: credit card, kickstand, and grippy sides. So first of all, I probably will get the iPhone 10 back. Just go back to using my HTC U11 and iPhone 7, but I'm definitely missing the bigger screen and I don't want to go to the Plus. But anyway, this case is so dope, like the concept, because you can carry credit cards and IDs and everything, and I know I'm a pretty forgetful person. I often will forget my wallet and stuff, so this is like really dope. So first and foremost, this actually comes with, I didn't know, nice little plastic screen protector inside, so that's definitely handy. Keep your screen from getting scratched up. And then you have this FAQs for the case. You have a lifetime warranty, no commitment, and you know, links to their social media. So definitely check this company out. They have a pretty solid Instagram of their products, and the marketing. It definitely looks hip and cool for real. The case, if we take a look at it, we have some Stalk branding and the website Smartish Products right there, as you can see. That's dope. That's their little tagline. It's pretty. Some ridges up here at the top, and it's just pretty smooth. In the inside, we have a black lining for the camera cutout, and the sides does have this grippy texture to them, and it's a bit different from like this up here at the top. And this even is a different material. It kind of feels like more basically like a wallet type feel, and that's of course where you would put your cards. So it's the Q Card Case Wallet Slayer card. I don't have my wallet near me, but I do have some business cards, so we can go ahead and test this out, see how many cards we can get in. It says 3, so 1, 2, 3, and these are pretty thin. Go ahead and just try to throw them in. Boom, it works. Now of course these are thinner than your average credit cards or whatever, but it's 2 more and we good to go. So I would say like you're gonna get like 3 credit cards in here, but if you got some like just standard business cards, you can get a few of them in there. But you know, most people probably gonna want to carry your ID and like a credit card or debit card or whatever, 1 or 2 in there with you. So this is definitely convenient. It's like it has this one little cutout on the left side, so you don't have to worry about, you know, your cards falling out on this side. Just, you know, there's a little peek so you can see what it is on this side. I mean, it doesn't slide or anything, so you don't gotta worry about it falling out over here either. And this is like really nice design. You can see there's a nice little, you know, cutout or whatever right here. So when you actually go to like get the card from the side, your finger has more leeway, more room to actually grip it and pull it out. Definitely real dope. This case is hot. Blue, my favorite color. Like I said, I'm missing the iPhone 10. I'll probably get it back. And I definitely want to get some more Silk products. They only have a few cases, I think, right now for the iPhones, but I think they may also have some for the iPad. So I might go ahead and check those out and bring them to the channel. But definitely check out Silk. We'll throw the link in the description. You can pick it up on Amazon, like I said. And if this video is helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. Share it out to everybody. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Can't say that enough. Trying to get more people in, help the channel grow. And I appreciate all the new subscribers. Anybody who's been there from way back in the beginning, appreciate it. And yeah, man, it's your boy Tay signing out once again. Until next time.